Hey guys, it's Tassie Mellow, and today I'm going to be adding too many American candy themed lip smackers into slime. I'm really excited about this. I wasn't really sure what it was going to turn out like, but if you want to see, you got to watch to the end.
Tell my friends that I'll be over.
If you haven't checked out my Etsy store, please do. It's linked down below. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I'd really like to grow my community. Okay, so I actually found all these at my local dollar store, and I was so shocked. I saw them, I almost died. I was like, how could I not get these? I thought it'd make such a cute video, and I was just really excited to try these. Like, super excited. These are all like American candy themed, and they're actually flavoured. Although they don't really taste very strongly of what the flavour is supposed to be, and I don't think you're supposed to be eating lip gloss, but I thought it was cool and cute. A lot of these candies I've never actually had before because they're American candy, but I thought that was just so cute, and that made me want these so much more. As you can probably hear, I completely lost my audio, so I have to do it back up. I know it's not as good as having the audio there in the moment with things like this, but it's the best I could do. I tried leaving in some of the bubble pops I got, but it's from my camera audio, and it's really bad quality, but I thought maybe just a little bit of that was better than nothing. I'm currently just going through all the different flavours I had. There's some really cute ones and some really weird ones, like macaroni and cheese and bacon. Okay, so for starters, this is some of my clear slime. So satisfying. I'm not sure why I did this. I thought it was going to be a really good idea and really cute, but like all the packaging is cardboard and I didn't really think about it, but all the slime stuck and absorbed into the cardboard, so it ended up being like a huge mess. But it still did look really cool, and you can see me trying to take the thumbnail. It was everywhere. Okay, so moving on, I started with unwrapping all of them. This actually took a lot longer than I thought it would. I've sped up the process at the end just so you don't have to go through me unwrapping all these different flavoured lip balms. But I did just think they were like so cute. Even the packaging, it was adorable. As you can see all the slime dripping down. It made the unpacking experience a bit weird, but I still really liked it. And just for the record, that dill pickle flavoured one doesn't really taste like pickles.
But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Just to make me feel again, I wanted something real. So just escape for a moment, trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
Okay, so I ended up having some leftover slime and I had all the packaging there. So for some reason, I have no idea why, but I thought it would be a good idea to tear up some of the packaging and add it into the slime and see how that turned out and what it was like and if it actually worked. At first I just added a little bit and it was actually kind of okay, like the slime stretched and it was a bit crunchy. But then I just kept adding, I added more and more and more. And like, it's kind of really gross and I'm not sure why I did it. But it ended up taking me an hour or two. And I was not going to waste an hour or two adding packages into slime without letting the world see. But yeah, the slime also melted a bit because it was quite hot on the day I recorded this. So it got really sticky and messy and it looked gross. And I actually let it sit for a bit after this video and all the cardboard kind of got soggy and it just made the slime really brown. But I must admit, it wasn't a terrible texture. At the end when I added too much, it didn't really stretch. And you can see I try to poke it, but it doesn't really poke. But like, I did get a few good bubble pops out. It was a bit hard for me to show because they were very random and hard to control. But it was actually kind of fun. I'm not sure if I'd do it again though. I did think it was kind of cute that you could see all the cute packaging through the slime. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. My pain is your entertainment. Okay, so now for some reason, again I'm not really sure why, but I added all the lip smackers into the clear slime, but like still in their containers. And I mean, it sounded kind of cool, but it didn't really work and it was kind of a mess and it made everything a bit more awkward to do when I was actually adding the actual lip smacker in and not with the container. I thought it was kind of cool though. It's very sticky and you can see the slime's very melty, but it does look kind of cool. Okay, so now we're actually going to be adding them into the slime properly. So what I did was I just cut a bit off the top of all of them and then I put them around a circle so they were next to the actual container they came from, just so you could see the colours and all the different flavours as I was doing them. This process did take a really long time. I did speed it up for you, but some of them are actually really satisfying to watch. Comment down below what colour you think this slime is going to be when all the different colours are mixed in. I actually thought this was going to turn a really gross colour because there are some browns and blacks, but you'll be surprised it's not terrible. Okay, you have to comment down below and you can't cheat. Okay, we're almost done with all the lip smackers, I promise. Mind you, I might add this whole video, it smelled so good. Like, really, really nice. There were some more obscure packages like these ones, and I wasn't really sure how to get some of them out because not all of them had like little pushy bits that could actually make the lip balm stick out to be able to cut off. Later just because they don't fit around the circle and they're also lip gloss rather than lip balm. Okay guys, are you ready? This was actually very nice to mix. It was very, very different. It wasn't quite what I was expecting. All the little chunks of lip balm didn't just kind of mix in. I actually had to go in and like, you know, squish a lot of them in because they just got to a point where they weren't really dissolving or mixing. The end product is still a bit lumpy, but I think I got most of them out alright. I did think it was cute when it was just lightly stained with a few of the pinks from all the lip balms, but it was still a bit transparent and you could see all the different coloured globs. The lip balms also did deactivate the slime, like it got very, very sticky and I had to go in with activator a lot the more I mixed it. It actually had a very, very weird texture. It felt really, really creamy and smooth and soft, kind of like if you put a lot of moisturizer in slime, but like a lot. And like not quite like that, but kind of like that. It also did get a lot runny and jigglier, but I think that was just because it deactivated, so you had to add more borax, which is more water. Okay, so I went in with the lip glosses here. These are the kind of things that give your lips, you know, a shine rather than the lip balms that are kind of less glossy, I guess. These were also in very, very cute packages. They were very different to the ones where you just roll up, but I really liked them. Okay, so this was the final product. See, it's still a little bit lumpy, but it is definitely a lot smoother than what it was. I really actually do like the texture. It is very, very different. Its bubble pops aren't great, but it definitely does have bubble pops, which I definitely like. It swells nice. But I reckon the best thing about it is its smell. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And it's also very, very glossy. I kind of like the effect the glossy lip glosses had on it. It made it kind of very pretty. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and leave any comments below. I always want to hear what you guys think. guys. Bye, bye, bye.